Hey everyone, this is Monique Macklin over at CreditLady.com, and I'm coming to you today with a quick announcement. So on July 1st, I'm going to be launching my new platform here on Instagram Live under Credit Lady Cocktails. That's the title of this new platform. So I would love to invite you to join me to participate in the conversations that we're having. I'm going to have special guests each Thursday, and we are going to be speaking about how you can use your credit as a tool, not to build debt, but to create wealth. Many people come to me and they're looking for funding, and the only way to gain access to that funding is to have the credit scores that the banks are looking for. But then you want to learn how to turn that debt into wealth. We're going to teach you how to use the bank's money over and over again to create the wealth that you're looking and needing to create. Now, this week we're going to have my business partner on the line. He handles a lot of my personal and business funding clients, pretty much 99% of them. He knows what the banks are looking for. He knows what the banks require. So he is definitely the best person to handle these questions because he deals with this on the front line. So we're going to have him live on Thursday, July 1st. So if you have questions about business funding or personal funding, go to creditladycocktails.com and submit your questions in. That way we can get these answered for you and we can show you how to move in the right direction. Again, the goal is not to just gain access to the loans, which equal debt, but you want to position yourself so that you're able to repay these loans and create this as a vehicle to build wealth. Now, I am very excited about this new platform because what you're going to be gaining access to is not just myself, but the many experts that I know in this industry who can actually direct you on the right path to building wealth when it comes to your personal credit. You can't gain access to business loans and car loans and mortgage loans without first learning and knowing where your credit needs to be, where your personal finances need to be in order for you to get approved for these loans and credit cards and things of that nature. But the other thing is that you need to know how to activate a vehicle that's going to pay for this debt so that you're not having to dip into your own pocket in order to do that. So this is the type of information we're going to be bringing to you on a weekly basis. So go to creditladycocktails.com, submit your questions in for business and personal funding starting this week, and I'll see you on the other side.